Hey guys, this is Jake with JC Lewis Ford Statesboro, bringing you a look at the 2020 brand new Ford Transit crew van. This is the medium roof Transit van we have here. You see your chrome on the front as well as your large Ford emblem. You've got fog lights as well as HID headlights. Come around, you'll see the glass paneling on the side of our Ford Transit 250 here. Here's what we all came to see, our dual easy opening Ford Transit doors here. Look at that space, guys. And as we come around here to the interior of our Ford 250 Transit Van 2020, we see our sync screen with Bluetooth technology to connect to your phone for directions audibly, as well as making calls, playing music, as well as our climate controls here. You see temperature higher and lower, as well as fan controls here. This Transit van has some additional safety features like your lane keeping system here, which you can toggle with the left button here, and you'll see the warning on the screen. This Transit has your large tow mirrors so that you can see everything around you, as well as automatic lights and powered mirrors and glass. We also have some additional storage up top, kind of like an airline storage cubby hole. And this brings you a good look at our Ford 2020 Transit van. Take a look in the comments for specifications on the different sizes between the Transits and some fun different options you can pick from. Thanks, guys.